5 seconds to go. Start. But a finding on title cannot be recorded in a suit for injunction unless there are necessary pleadings and appropriate issue regarding title, either specific or implied as noticed. Where the averments regarding title are absent in a plaint, and where there is no issue relating to title, the court will not investigate or examine or render a finding on a question of title in a suit for injunction, even where there are necessary pleadings and issue if the matter involves complicated questions of fact and law relating to title, the court will relegate the parties to the remedy by way of comprehensive suit for declaration of title instead of deciding the issue in a suit for mere injunction. Where there are necessary pleadings regarding title and appropriate issue relating to title on which parties lead evidence, if the matter involved is simple and straightforward, the court may decide upon the issue regarding title even in a suit for injunction. But such cases are the exception to the normal rule that question of title will not be decided in suits for injunction, but persons having clear title and possession suing for injunction should not be driven to the costlier and more cumbersome remedy of a suit for declaration merely because some meddler vexatiously or wrongfully makes a claim or tries to encroach upon his property. The court should use its discretion carefully to identify cases where it will inquire into title and cases where it will refer to the plaintiff to a more comprehensive declaratory suit depending upon the facts of the case. In the present case, KIC no doubt sought only a permanent injunction in its first suit. However, it is a fact of equal importance that the appellants herein consistently agitated KIC's title. KIC was a party to those proceedings. All the courts concurrently held that the grant on which KIC based its possession was deemed to be cancelled. Therefore, KIC could, by no procedure known to law, claim in another suit that it was the absolute owner by virtue of the self same grant which was deemed to have been cancelled. The trial court therefore cannot be faulted with for holding that the question of title was directly in issue in the previous proceedings, and merely because it resulted in findings adverse to KIC, it could not escape being bound by those findings. It is noticeable that the High Court in the impugned judgment has considered Vittal Bhai Private Limited versus Union Bank of India, where it has been held that a plaint can be rejected at any stage. Furthermore, it has also been ruled that the principle of Res judicata is fundamental to the judicial system. Having regard to the above discussion, this court is of the opinion that the impugned judgment in holding that despite the fact that in the previous proceedings the issue of title stood concluded, the trial court had to proceed with the suit is clearly in error. Stop.